Hi folks, today we will show you how to build a fridge that does not need electricity, what we refer to as the Amish fridge, used by the Amish community for hundreds of years now, passed down from generation to generation. All you need is a large enough barrel, some hinges, a handsaw, screws, and what nature already offers us. Start by digging a hole big enough to completely bury the barrel. Time to prepare the barrel. Remove the bilge hoops except for the top and bottom ones. The next step is to create a door. To do this, you just add 2 pieces of metal for support. Then you add the hinges and the handle on top of the barrel hole. You cut out the door with a handsaw. Make sure to also add a lock so the door does not randomly open. Next, you need ice. You can buy ice from the supermarket, but it is best if you can put your hands on large blocks of ice. A frozen river is ideal. Since there is one close, we just used a chainsaw to take out as much as we needed. Add some hay to the bottom of the barrel and then ice on top of it. Now you can store everything you do not want to have perish in your personal Amish fridge, buried right in your backyard. No electricity needed. Thank you for your attention. If you want to see more projects, be sure to visit askaprepper.com. Also, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You can even turn on the notifications to find out when we publish a new video. Thank you everyone, and stay safe.